So finally, let's begin with the most awaited room tour video. This is the entrance door. Towards the left is my roommate's part and towards the right is my part. At first, here we can see two compartments. In one of them I have kept this almirah which was provided by the hostel itself. I don't keep much clothes here since it gets dirty. This is my yoga mat and the mosquito bed of course. I have kept my laundry bag here and all the shoes here. Only a few clothes which are kept here are those which I either wore it yesterday or I will wear it in any upcoming event. Next here I have my badminton rackets which I brought from home and we often play badminton at the evening. And this is my bag. Here I have kept my sports shoes which I just really wore after coming here. And this is the lal hit, the most important thing which you will definitely require. So this is all about my little almirah which contains this much things only. And let's move to the next compartment. So the next compartment was a little small, so I kept this cupboard here. I brought it was not provided by the hostel. And then this is my iCard. This cute mirror which I brought from Miniso and I carry it everywhere, literally everywhere. This digital clock I brought it from Amazon. The link will be provided in the description box. And the clips and safety pins which I require daily, I don't keep it inside. I keep it like this only so that I can save a little time. This keychain was gifted to me. It has also my name written. I will show it some other time. The box here has all my makeup products which I rarely use. And as at the side I have this box which is 3-storage box. It has all my clips and girders and rubber bands and everything. Next we have this cupboard. Now please don't judge me, this is the only pink option we got. And here I store all the clothes and bed sheets. Yes, it is a small area but still I can fit all my clothes in here. I'm just worried about the winter season. So let's close it and move on. A little space was left here so I kept my small suitcase in here. And next we have this wall which is decorated and all. So let's proceed with the first thing we see is that stand. This stand was not provided. My parents bought it from the local shops here. On the first shelf itself I have this medicines and which I require like 12 months a year. Next shelf we have this file organized, the little pen stand and colors and the Ramchandra series books and the Bhagavad Gita. I keep it with me and I take it everywhere I go. These are the organizers. Towards the next shelf I have this copies and notebooks which I till now I have not started using. This is my jewelry box and then I have this makeup box and the makeup pouch also. These are the notebooks and I have this cute little cable organizers and this is another makeup pouch. Towards the next shelf, this area is kind of my charging place. These are the cables to my iPhone and iPad. And this is for the digital clock. These are the gloves which are used for dissection classes. I take 2 or 4 like 1 pair or 2 pair and then I go. This is my sleeping mask and my dental kit. And the last shelf has some miscellaneous things. Next here I have my bed. I like to keep it clean and organized so that I can just come and go to sleep. This is my cute little piggy. Its name is Gigi, Gigi the piggy. And above that I have decorated it with fairy lights and I hung some photos. These photos carry a lot of memories and I have a story of it, like each of the photos has a backstory. Now let's come to the study table. It's 9 p.m. dinner time already. Here I have hung the medals and the prize I have kept here. I got this in the college week. This was for classical dance category and this was for musical chair competition, and this prize, okay, just leave it. And these are some of the books which are needed in first year. Some of the books, I did not bring all. This is my cute little keyring. The two keys are of my room and the girls' common room. Here I have some sticky notes and my pencil bag. Then I have 3 bottles, and this is the emergency light which we require when the light goes off. And this is the only backpack I have got right now. And here we have the window, which I rarely open because it's really nothing to see out there. And this is finally the end of how the room looks. Here we have the third part, which actually acts like a storeroom. We hang clothes in here and have these things which are not needed now. And then we have the small little kitchen. Okay, better not to show that now. This is all I got, and thank you for watching till now. Bye bye, see you next time.